So this is some additional information with a topic that can sometimes be confusing in terms of naming of directories and files. So right now I'm logged into my Korn account, and if I do ls, I see that I have a CME 211 directory. I'm going to go ahead and remove that, pretend that never existed, and let's imagine that I wanted to create a CME 211 directory, and for whatever reason I decided that I'd like to have a space in the name of the directory. And so kind of the natural thing that you would try to do is you would do make directory CME 211. Now the problem is the space character means something special to the shell that's interpreting your commands. And if I do this and then do ls, you'll see that I did not create one directory called CME 211 with a space in it. What I actually created was two different directories, one called 211 and one called CME. So anytime you're dealing with a file name or directory that has a space, you need to handle that specially. So one option is that I can denote that that's not really a space character by using what's called a special escape character. So I want there to be a space here. So instead of typing just a space, what I do is I precede that space with a special slash character. Notice that this is a backslash, not a forward slash, and that indicates that the upcoming character is special in some way, so it knows how to interpret that. And now, instead of creating a directory called CME and a directory called 211, I've created a single directory which has a space in the name. So here you see that I have one directory because it's on one line, but it has a space character in it. Now, anytime I go and refer to this directory, I need to also do that same escaping of characters. So if I wanted to cd into this directory, and I was fully typing it out, if I try this, I'm going to get an error message because I can't change into multiple directories at the same time. So I need to escape that space character with that backslash, and that allows me to use either a file or a directory name that contains a space in it. The other option is that you can quote your full directory or file name in double quotes. So for example, if I put in double quotes CME space 211, it knows to interpret that sequence of characters as a single option and not multiple options separated by a space character. So in general, it's probably more convenient to use directory and file names without spaces, but if you like that additional typing and the elegance of spaces in your file and directory names, that is a possibility.